Jem, take it away.
Okay, hi everyone. So this is the homepage of firefly.adobe.com when you're in. So this is the first thing that you'll see. And then as Sir Roland mentioned, currently there are two um, features that we can try out. And then the recolor vectors is coming soon. And then there's a gallery for Firefly where you can get inspiration. And then the video that Sir Roland showed earlier. So those are actually the things that Adobe Firefly would want to be in the future. And then yun nga na-notice ninyo kanina Sir Roland mentioned neural filters. So that's actually a filter in Photoshop already that is live, and then they're planning to bring it on a web browser. So si Firefly talaga is also, so just a bit of a background. I'm also part of Adobe Express ambassador. So thanks to Sir Roland din yun. And then in Adobe Express, they actually invited yung mga ambassadors nila to try out Firefly. Kaya parang yung first day pa lang nung release ng Firefly, meron na agad kaming access. And there's a lot of dreams for it. Nakita nyo lahat kanina sa video. And then, the workflow, imagine yung mga workflow improvements. Nakita ko sa comment section kanina na, before two steps gagawin, ngayon mga kayan in one step. Pero may step pa din, di ba? May tao pa rin talaga nagagalaw in the background in all of these things. So, yung na-mention din ni Sir Roland kanina, yung Adobe Sensei, and then sa Photoshop. Actually, if you're already using the content-aware feature, that's also AI. And sobrang helpful nun as a designer, as Sir Roland mentioned. May work pa rin tayo, although AI has been here for 10 years na. So, ayun, sobrang dami nilang ine-explore that's coming up na in the homepage, pinapakita nila, na sobrang exciting. So, ito yung lahat ng mga nasa video kanina. And then, tong sketch to image na to, ito inaantay ko kasi like back in 2018 din, during the time na yung mga Adobe Dimension lumabas din, parang ano na rin, teaser na rin talaga tong sketch to image na to. And, Adobe is just being strategic in their rollout ng mga bagay na to.